This is a video tutorial on how to create a Cinemagraph. Start Photoshop with fresh preferences. Open up the file called Cinemagraph Start. You may receive a notification that asks you to relink a file. Click on the relink button and navigate to the file called Bowl with Liquid and hit OK. Switch to the Motion workspace. You'll see that you have a layer with a piece of footage on it. It is not in a video group, it is on a layer by itself, and it is on a track by itself. Play the video. It is only 19 frames long, and what we're going to do is make this loop around, and we will put it in a way that will make it look like it loops continuously. We could make this video just link continuously, but we're going to do this in a slightly different manner. In your Layers panel, duplicate the Bowl with Liquid layer. You can either select it and hit Command J, or you can drag it to the new layer icon. We will be creating a mask on the top layer, but we have to convert this to a static image first. To do that, we're going to right-click on the layer and select Rasterize Layer. It is no longer video footage, as you can see here. So now if you were to play, we won't see anything happening because the image, the purple layer, is on top. Remember, purple is for still images and blue is for video. On the Bowl with Liquid copy layer, let's apply a layer mask. Hit the Add a Layer Mask button. On this layer, we will create a mask by painting on the mask. Notice the four corners around this thumbnail. That means this thumbnail is selected. When we paint, we will be painting on this mask, not on the image. Select the brush tool. Enlarge the brush to about 200 pixels. Select black to paint with. Switch the foreground and background colors by clicking on this icon or hitting the X key on your keyboard. Paint on the green liquid area. When you're finished drawing, you'll notice that your mask now has a black circle. Option or Alt-click on the thumbnail of the mask and you'll see what the mask looks like. I have a clear area over here, so I'm going to paint it in. I'm going to Option Alt-click on it again to return to viewing the layer with the layer mask applied. Now, if you play through the video, it should look fine. It's time to export this video. Go to the File menu, File Export, Save for Web Legacy. From the preset area, select GIF. Increase your colors to the maximum 256 colors. Go to the looping options and select Forever. Click Save. Save your file as your name _ cinemagraph.gif and save. Also be sure to save this file as your name cinemagraph.psd. Submit both files to Schoology.